storms out there, but you know, Joseph, I actually saw a hummingbird this morning still out there. They're pretty tough.
Oh, do you have a feeder?
I do.
Those are a blast. Yeah, I love hummingbirds. I'm going to go find one of those cards and try to go get one of those ornaments. I think that's a great idea that they have in place over there. Well, we have a lot of snowfall up on the mountains. We had rain down in the valley, a bit breezy, so maybe tough for some of those birds out there. But up on the mountains, it is just looking like this. We have some active snowfall. We've had 6 inches over the last 24 hours at Mount Hood Meadows. A wonderful view. Timberline looking just about the same. Snow on the ground. I was up there Thursday for a brief moment, and it didn't look like that. And so we got some good snowfall over the last few days. All right, we have a winter weather advisory still for Mount Hood and out towards Government Camp for the pass there overnight tonight into Monday morning. We're expecting about 2 to 6 inches of snowfall, about 3,000 feet or so. You may be dealing with that if you do have to travel the passes. This is what Government Camp looks like right now. So you can see the snow on the side. The ground's still going to be pretty wet there. And maybe, as I mentioned, a few inches as we head into the overnight hours and extending into even Tuesday. Sandy Ann Pass, it's snowy there as well. We were looking at that camera, a little too dark right now, and then you can kind of see that snow in the trees and on the side of the highway at 58 at Willamette Pass. That is what we're looking at currently, and that is because of all that snow that we had over the last day. All right, we have more shower activity, a couple thunderstorms, some dry air to the west, and then if we keep looking west, we have more rain on the way. But I mentioned that dry air, that's actually going to move on in for at least a window of our Monday, which may even bring in some sunshine as well, which is just wonderful this time of the year because it's been so cloudy. All right, radar, there's the spotty showers moving on through, very scattered. Really no thunderstorms, not as aggressive as yesterday, but we still have a few showers around, so can't rule it out still tonight. We can use a little more measurable precipitation. If we're going to spend most of our day in the clouds with some rain, we might as well bring in some measurable rain, right? All right, FUTURECAST here as we head into the overnight hours. Notice that we keep that snow chance alive for the Cascades, especially the northern Oregon Cascades there. And then there's the rain. That's a 9:30, so still possibility for some rain. By Monday morning, though, potentially as early as about 7 a.m., I think we kind of clear everything out. It kind of shoots up to the north, and we start drying from the south to the north. And so we may have some clouds to begin the day, but I'm hoping for some sunshine, especially through breakfast time into lunch as well. We get to about the afternoon, evening hours, clouds start to increase. We see rain moving in from the south and the west, and it takes right over the top of us as we go through the overnight hours Monday into Tuesday. So a good chunk of Monday should be dry, probably most of the day here in the valley. We get to Tuesday morning, some showers there, maybe a little bit of snowfall for the mountains, and then we kind of keep it going as we go through the week. Wednesday, I think we have some dry time through the day before more rain arrives on Thursday, and then again on Friday, and even some rain there east of the Cascades. So pretty busy, but we'll at least have a few windows of some dry time to get outside. All right, so for the rest of tonight, we still may bring in about 1/4 of an inch. At least one weather model says that. I think we're going to be well below that, but just know that we have some rain probably through the overnight. By Wednesday, maybe about 1/2 inch of rain, and then we keep on piling it on. I think by the time we wrap up the week, we're going to be safely over 1 inch of rain, and some weather models are trying to push us to about 2 inches. So I think it's going to be a pretty wet finish to the week. For tomorrow, some sunshine and some clouds. By the afternoon, 54 degrees. East breeze, look at that, 10 to 15 miles per hour tomorrow, and it picks up again on Tuesday. As I mentioned, Tuesday is going to be pretty wet. 54 degrees again on Tuesday. A little bit cooler on Wednesday. We have Veterans Day there on Thursday with some rain. And then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we march into the weekend with more showers and temperatures near 60 degrees. A little bit warmer to wrap up the week, but it's going to come with some rain. But I'm hoping for the sunshine tomorrow, Wayne. I think it's going to feel pretty good.
Yeah, that will feel nice after this week. All right. Thank you, Joseph. The road